Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online bank account password of Suntrust Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a suntrust.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Suntrust Bank, you can see the sign-in box on the right side of your screen. There, you need to provide your user ID and password, then click on Sign In where you will get directly logged into the online banking account of Suntrust Bank. As we are going to recover our ID or password, we need to click on the link given below, that is forgot user ID/password. You click on it. Forgot user ID and or password. Here I can't sign on because I forgot my password, I forgot my user ID, I forgot both my user ID and password. You can go with any of these options by clicking on the checkbox beside of it. Here I'm going with I forgot my password. Then you click on next. For the resetting of your password, you can use any of these options, that is use my Suntrust debit card to reset my password or use my Suntrust account number to reset my password. Then you click on reset password. Here you need to provide the following details, that is your social security number of the 4 digits. Then you provide your Suntrust debit card number. At last, you need to provide your Suntrust debit card PIN. After you provide all the details, you need to click on reset password where you will be redirected to the another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to reset your password. Similarly, in the username, you need to click on the checkbox, that is I forgot my user ID. Then you click on next. Here you can go with any of the option, that is use my Suntrust debit card to verify my identity or use my Suntrust security questions to verify my identity. After selecting this, you need to click on request user ID. Here you need to provide the following details to request your user ID, that is your social security number of last 4 digits, then your Suntrust debit card number. At last, you provide your Suntrust debit card PIN. After providing all the details, you need to click on Request User ID where you can verify or you can identify your user ID. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can recover online bank account password of Suntrust Bank. Thank you.